Good morning, my possum artists at Michigan Avenue Elementary. So today we're going to be continuing our lessons on line. Last time we learned how to draw different types of line, and remember, line is one of our elements of art. We have line, shape, color, value, form, texture, and space, and all of those things work together. So this week, like I said, we're going to use line to make some awesome pictures. First, you're going to watch a short video, and it's all about lines that wiggle. So after you've watched the video, we're going to get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a circle, little dot, in each corner of our paper. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, it's important to notice I have them in away from the edge, so we don't want them right up against the edge. Now, I'm using a black marker, but that's just so you can see better. You will use either a crayon or a pencil, and it can be any color crayon you want, but I would stick to using that one crayon for all of the lines because next time we're going to add something extra. So, give me a thumbs up if you finished making your 4 dots. Okay, great. So now we're going to make a horizontal line connecting the top 2 dots and then connecting the bottom 2 dots. So now we have 2 horizontal lines. Now we're going to add vertical lines connecting those dots. So now we've kind of made a frame for our picture. Isn't that fun? Now, there are so many different kinds of lines that you can create. So, the first one, just to make it interesting, I'm going to do a zigzag line from one side to the other. Now, our goal is to have all of our lines intersecting so we don't have great big huge empty spaces. So, if you want, you can practice with your finger making zigzags. Once you're confident, go ahead and make some zigzag lines, and it should go from one side of your paper to the other. So give me a thumbs up when you've finished making your lines. Awesome. This is so great. So now, one of the other lines we learned was kind of a wavy line. So this one, I'm going to go from the top of my paper to the bottom, and it'll just be a gentle line. So think about where you want it to crisscross and intersect. So I want to make sure that I have a nice wavy line. And again, yours picture doesn't have to be exactly the same as mine. So after you've done your gentle wavy line, give me a thumbs up so we can move on. Now, the next line, this one, I'll let you see if you can figure out where you might have seen this kind of line. And this one's also going to go from the top of our paper to the bottom. This one is called a broken line. Anybody have any ideas? I bet you do. That kind of reminds me of a line on the center of a road. Isn't that fun? Give me a thumbs up when you finished your broken line. Now, for our next line, I'm going to do something called a dotted line. Now, with our dotted line, again, we're going to go from top to bottom. But we're not going to go bang, 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 bang and make all kinds of noise because we want to see where our line is. So for this, I'm actually going to draw each little circle and fill it in. Okay, so we have all of these great lines and all of this circle going around and around and around. So remember, we're filling in the circles. We're not just banging on the table or our pencil. So now we've got all of these great lines. We're going to do one more line, okay? And this one is going to go from side to side. So I want to look and see where I have really big sections. So this is a pretty big section, and so is this one. So I'm going to make a loop-de-loop line. And I want to have my loops crisscrossing over so it breaks up some of those spots. Now, if you still have a lot of big sections and you want to make them smaller, you can add other lines. Like you could add, remember we did that castle line? Okay, so that kind of broke those up. And I might add maybe one more right down in here. Let's see, what can we do? Ooh, I have an idea. We could do a combination line. Wouldn't that be cool? So I'm going to start it out as a loop-de-loop line. Then it's going to become a zigzag line. And then I make it back to a loop-de-loop line. Isn't that fun? So now we have all kinds of different lines. And make sure before we leave class, you can turn your paper over to the other side and write your name and your teacher's name, okay? So your name and your teacher's name on the back. And now we've got our beautiful line picture ready for next week. And again, you could use whatever color you want to decorate it. That's up to you. Next week, though, we're going to add some beautiful colors, okay? And we're going to color in different sections. Okay, so have a great day, my possum artists.